Hello everyone, I am Dharanidharan from CSD department. Today I am going to talk about the topic Flipkart navigating the e-commerce giant. Introduction. What is Flipkart and its marketing position? Flipkart's India's leading e-commerce company founded in 2007. The upside advantages for customers. Competitive pricing. Flipkart frequently offers attractive discounts, deals, and sales, marketing products more affordable for customers. Waste selection. From the fashion and groceries to home goods, Flipkart boasts an extensive product catalog carrying to deserve needs. Unmatched convenience. Enjoy doorstep delivery, multiple payment options, and easy browsing from the comfort of your home or on the go. The upside advantages for sellers: broad and reach, um, robust logistics, dedicated supports. Beyond the basics, Flipkart's innovative features and service. Flipkart Plus allows um, programmation. Flipkart Pay Later, a credit facility allowing customer to buy now and pay later, engaging purchasing power. Grocery and hyper local, expanding into daily essential and quick deliveries to meet immediate customer needs. Live commerce, integrating interactive video shopping experience to engage customers and drive sales. Voice local shopping. The downside challenges for customers: return process issue. Some users report difficulties and delays with the product returns and refunds, leading to frustration. Customer service concern. Occasional complaints about unresponsive or unhelpful customer support, particularly during peak periods. Quality control variability. The downside challenges for sellers: intensive competition, um, high commercial rates, அப்புறம் frequency policy changes. uh, Competitive landscape, how Flipkart stacks up. Flipkart faces strong competition from global giant Amazon India and domestic player Reliance Retails. Like Flipkart excels in certain segment like fashion and electronics. Amazon boasts a superior logistics network and a broad global suppliers base. Future outlook. Flipkart's potential for growth and adaptation. Rural expansion, aggressively targeting underserved rural markets to unlock new growth opportunities. Technology integrations, sustainable practices, forcing on eco-friendly packing, green logistics to appeal to uh, conscious customers. Conclusion: balancing the scales 3 is Flipkart the right choice. However, potential users should weigh these benefits against challenges such as return complication, customer care service, and instance market competition. Thank you for watching.